Hi everyone, welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro. Today we are exploring the powerful feature of Gemini Gen AI to show you how to generate high quality content for free. Yes, you heard that right. To begin, open your favorite web browser and hit directly to the official Gemini Gen AI website. Make sure you are logged in with your account. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard, where you need to find and click on the Studio section. From here, make sure you are inside the video generation section. If not, simply switch it from the top option and then select VEO 3.1 Fast from the list of available video models. Trust me, this one is the best. Next, move down to the prompt box and type in a clear and specific description of the video you want to create. Then look at the aspect ratio settings and choose the horizontal option to ensure a widescreen format. After that, adjust the video quality based on your preference so the output matches your visual expectations. Before generating, take a quick look at the cost details. Right below the bottom and confirm it shows 0 credits. Once everything looks good, click on the generate button and wait for your free video to be created. Wow, it is literally giving a movie vibe. Isn't that great? Okay, now shifting to another method. Stay within the Studio section and look at the Image tab at the top. Then click on it to switch modes. Once there, open the Model drop-down menu and select Nano Banana 2 as your main image generation engine. After selecting the model, type a detailed prompt describing exactly how you want your image to look. Then, choose the horizontal aspect ratio to achieve a wider perspective. Before generating, confirm the cost is set to 0. And finally, click the Generate button to view your result. Please wait and have patience until your results are on your view. Wow, the picture is looking really great. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great tutorials. Bye.